Do you understand English but feel shy to speak? Do you stop in the middle while talking because you don't know what to answer? Then this class is perfect for you. Welcome to Speak Like a Pro Class 4 on Smart Kids Learning English to Tamil. In today's class, you will learn more powerful daily use English questions and answers that people use in real life conversations every single day. By practicing these sentences, you will speak English more naturally, improve your confidence, answer quickly without fear, sound fluent in daily conversation. Practice these questions aloud daily and start speaking English automatically and confidently. For more useful videos, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell. Stay updated for every new class. Thank you for subscribing. Daily used English questions and answers. What do you usually do in your free time? I usually watch movies or read books. Did you drink enough water today? Yes, I drank plenty of water. Do you enjoy listening to podcasts? Yes, they are very informative. What's your favorite indoor activity? I enjoy drawing and painting. Have you ever participated in a competition? Yes, I joined a speech competition. Do you prefer studying alone or with friends? I prefer studying alone. Did you cook anything today? Yes, I made breakfast this morning. What's your favorite subject in school? English is my favorite subject. Have you ever visited another state? Yes, I visited Kerala last year. Do you enjoy playing mobile games? Sometimes during my free time. What do you do before going to bed? I listen to music and relax. Did you talk to your best friend today? Yes, we chatted for a while. What kind of clothes do you like wearing? I prefer comfortable clothes. Have you ever helped someone in need? Yes, helping others makes me happy. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I love spicy dishes. What's your favorite drink? I really enjoy fresh juice. Did you complete your daily tasks? Yes, I finished everything on time. Do you enjoy taking photos? Yes, I love capturing memories. What is your favorite festival? I enjoy celebrating Diwali. Have you ever spoken on stage? Yes, I have given speeches before. Do you wake up early every day? Yes, I usually wake up early. What motivates you to work hard? My dreams motivate me. Do you learn anything new today? Yes, I learned a new English phrase. Do you enjoy spending time with family? Yes, family time is very special. What is your biggest goal in life? I want to become successful and happy. Amazing job! Completing Speak Like a Pro Class 4. Now you know 25 more useful English questions and answers used in daily communication. Remember, The secret is fluent English is not grammar alone. It is daily speaking practice. Speak these sentences aloud, practice every day, and slowly you will start thinking in English naturally. Don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward a fluency. Keep learning, keep practicing, and grow with smart kids learning English through Tamil. Like, share, and subscribe for more spoken English classes, vocabulary videos, and communication practice sessions. This is your 4th class in Speak Like a Pro. Other classes are listed in the playlist. Please check the playlist and learn all the useful questions and answers. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, it's me Yamuna, your English trainer, signing off. Happy learning! If you want to learn more, click any video here or visit our channel for unlimited learning.